वैसे तो इस टॉपिक पर काफ़ी बड़े बड़े लोग बात कर चुके हैं, कुछ खास फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन मैंने सोचा चलो लेट मी ऑल्सो ट्राई। तो ओके, आई टॉक अबाउट, सुन ही लो ना। कई किस्से दफन हुए, कई हिस्से होना अभी बाकी है, कई ज़ख्म नासूर हुए, कई ज़ख्मों का उभरना अभी बाकी है। A few years back, I heard a girl was raped and protests were held every few days. I read a woman was taken and tremors were felt. A mother was molested and the law was shocked. A child was abducted and marches were walked. Gods are sympathizing, God is too fearing this lust. They're saying humanity has been rotten down to rust. Every woman is asking, what's taking so long? I wonder if they're still wondering what went wrong? कई मोमबत्तियां जलकर पिघल गई हैं, कई और चीखों का बेमतलब के शोर में दबना अभी बाकी है। दूसरों की बेटियों पर हुए अत्याचार पर अफसोस बहुत है। अब जागने के लिए शायद अपनी बेटियों पर अत्याचार होना अभी बाकी है। और ये सब मैं इसलिए कह रही हूँ क्योंकि हम जिन सुर्खियों, जिन हेडलाइंस के साथ रोज़ सुबह उठते हैं ना, मैं उन्हीं को, कुछ हेडलाइंस को पढ़ती हूँ आपके सामने। 60-year-old woman registers case against son for rape attempt in Jaipur. Tripura police arrest man for raping 4-year-old daughter. A 72-year-old woman gets raped. A 25-year-old woman gets raped. A 10-year-old girl gets raped. A 3-year-old baby gets raped. A 2-month-old infant gets raped. And with 101 cases, rape cases in 2019, Chandigarh becomes the unsafe city for women. And in Nirbhaya-like case in Gujarat, Dalit woman is being raped, killed. In a birthday party, the corona warriors were raped. The rapist made the video and uploaded it on social media. Ran away. As simple as that. Delhi, woman alleges rape by professor. FIR registered. How small and big these headlines are for the general public, no? इसीलिए मैंने वो लाइन पहले बोली थी कि शायद अब जागने के लिए अपनी बेटियों पर अत्याचार होना अभी बाकी है। एंड आई आस्क, व्हाट हैज़ हैपेंड टू द ह्यूमंस? लाइक व्हाई इज दिस ऑल हैपनिंग? टू आंसर दिस, तो दिस ऑल हैपन्स व्हेन अ मैन्स माइंड इज फुल ऑफ सिक थॉट्स, एंड आई गेस rapes won't stop until existing of girls becomes a question, isn't it? And that is because we're living in a society where every step of a girl is questionable. She is being judged by the clothes she wears, the way she talks, or the way she smiles, giving the rapist invitations to rape them, right? Dear society, it's high time. Stop being judgmental and stand up for humanity and not beside the rapist. I would talk about this also, that as humans are increasing drastically, humanity seems to be fading away. We marched and only marched with candles in our hands and horror in our voices. That's what we all do every time there is only action during crisis. The culprit won't be spared, they say. Yet justice is only 100 years away. Don't wear this, don't wear that. The society is not safe. Boys will be boys, huh? That's all you hear. Prevention and change is nowhere near. Treat us as human is all what women want. But you can't tell that to monsters. They turn a deaf ear. Laws are made, laws are broken. Kids are not safe either is what had left us shaken. How long before us we all lose hope. In the despairing darkness, the whole of humanity is forsaken. I don't know what's happening, but every other day there are reports of rape cases, and it's becoming like the crime next door. The rape culture, so we say these days, is, I think, because of the accused roaming free. If you look at what happens to the rape cases, you're going to be disappointed again. Victims are often insulted and blamed at police station. The accused seldom face the consequences they should. The law keepers are in fact the money keepers, and we are in the digital age, more connected than ever. Internet is the most time consuming and eye catching thing in our lives, and hence how we use and interpret information on it affects us and our actions. Our beliefs, memes, trolls, abusive comments, everything plays a role in it. It can't be denied that how we see the world is becoming how we are being shown to the world. Someone who's been cheated on by a girl will take no time to turn misogynistic. They also likely to think, ऐसा क्या इस लड़की ने मेरे साथ रेप कर दूंगा. एंड कुछ को तो ये काफ़ी फ़नी भी लग रहा होगा. ओके, सो सुनो आगे फिर. When they asked me normally, what is rape culture? वैसे तो मुझे ये बात स्टार्टिंग में करनी चाहिए थी with the definition of what is rape culture. So when they asked me normally what is rape culture, I stared at them and smiled because for them it must sound like a rape joke. So let me make them understand by cracking some jokes, I said. But hey, every time I try to make a rape joke, it just comes out a little too forced. Isn't it very funny when someone's no entered into a filthy mind coming out as convince me please, sacrificing their virtues? Isn't it hilarious that he is hiding behind the closed doors, shuddering and crying, thinking how to keep it a secret? What she did to him was not rape, because society tells him real men can't be raped. He should have liked it, that he is lucky. Isn't it eventually and extremely amusing when that 15-year-old girl sits in the clinic alone, waiting to see if she's pregnant or got STDs, feeling dirty and ashamed as it was her fault because society tells her it was her fault for what she was wearing. Isn't it entertaining that I can't walk down the alley at night without a pepper spray in my bag? Or he dared to ask me what I'm wearing inside when I was just a kid and he an adult? I don't know about you all, but I am in hysterics while explaining the rape culture. Cracking and joking. I am in hysterics that my eyes are filled with tears. Is it because I don't know, is it because I'm happy and proud? Or sad and scared? Okay, before leaving, and thank you for listening, but just answer me this. Will the girls ever be safe? Or your quench for this monstrosity has become an irresistible part of your character? Do answer me this. Thank you.